In today's video, we're going to talk about the basics of SEO, or search engine optimization, for damage restoration businesses. Whether you're a water damage, mold removal, fire damage, or asbestos, environmental damage restoration company, all of these things are important for you to know about SEO and the state of SEO as it is in 2023 and beyond. Right now, one of the most important things you can do for your company is have a website that talks about the services that you provide in a specific service area, whether that's metro area, suburb areas, towns. It's critically important that you establish clear signals, and that's what SEO helps you do. So as soon as someone has an emergency in their home or they're researching for a damage restoration company, most likely they're going to go out to Google and use that via their phone. And so what SEO does is it gives you the ability to get in front of searchers in a specific area searching for the services that you provide. Many damage restoration companies out there, they've tried SEO tactics. They've maybe posted a couple things on social media, done some paid ads. At the end of the day, what you have to do is you have to become the best known damage restoration company in your area in order to show up at the top of the results for the specific services you provide. And the way you do that is with SEO. You can also do it with paid ads programs, but at the end of the day, you don't want to always be paying Google. So what we're going to talk about in this training series here is about SEO related to damage restoration companies and how you can implement SEO to get you the best results and become the best known damage restoration company in your specific area. These series of videos is going to talk about things related to your website, things related to your Google Maps profile, content that you want to be generating on a monthly basis, getting backlinks for your websites, and some technical optimization. Whether you do this yourself, share it with your team, or just use it to audit where you're at right now in your journey, this is going to be very useful information for you to be able to improve your SEO results for your damage restoration business.